I'd like to wish everyone a very happy new year. There's so much talent across Britain, where we're being held back by a system that for too long has only served a privileged few. And now the Conservatives have plunged the country into crisis over the complete mess they've made of Brexit, trying to drive through a bad deal and letting people down all across the country, whether they voted leave or remain. 8 years of damaging Tory failure has left us with a divided country where millions are struggling to make ends meet, where so many can't afford a home to call their own, where older people are deprived of the dignity they deserve, and far too many are working in low-paid and insecure jobs. We cannot go on like this. Labour is ready to deliver a radical alternative, to rebuild and transform our country. We'll stand up to the powerful few so that the wealth you create is shared fairly, not hoarded by a privileged elite. We'll work to create a society where the talent of everyone is unleashed. That's how we'll unite our country. In 2019, let's rebuild Britain for the many, not the few.